Energy Star partner Honda of America Manufacturing invited the U.S. EPA's Energy Star program to participate in an energy treasure hunt. The event was held at the company's power equipment plant in Swepsonville, North Carolina. Over 3 days, teams uncovered enough no-cost and low-cost energy savings opportunities to cut energy use by more than 15%, a savings of over $300,000 a year.
Honda's actively involved with the Energy Star program, and we've heard about this opportunity that other companies were using the treasure hunts, and we wanted to learn a little more about the treasure hunts and see what kind of opportunities we could find.
A treasure hunt is an activity more like an audit or assessment, but there's other pieces that come into play with the treasure hunt. Besides looking for energy reduction opportunities or projects, you're also looking at it from a culture standpoint, and how do you build the behavior of energy efficiency and continuous improvement into the overall culture and organization of the company.
While finding energy cost savings was an important goal, Honda had other reasons for holding its energy treasure hunt.
We just want to make everybody aware that energy saving doesn't have to be big capital projects where you buy a more efficient air compressor, a more efficient chiller, or a more efficient HVAC unit. We want people to realize if it's not needed in production or if it's not needed in the offices, turn it off. Turn your production machines off, turn your chillers off, turn your air compressors off, turn your lights off.
Most people do it at their house. We want them to think about it the same way here at the plant. The goal being that we want to reduce our environmental impact, and as well as energy efficiency helps the bottom line.
Hoping to find some ways to reduce our energy and waste, whether it be electricity or water or natural gas. Like I said, this will help reduce our carbon footprint, but also help us to reduce our cost of operation, which we can pass on to our customers.
At the start, participants weren't sure how much energy savings would be discovered.
I would love to get a 10% energy reduction, but 2% and higher, I think, would be great.
I'm guessing anywhere between 5 and 10%. So I think that there's a matter of just flipping a switch in a lot of cases to save energy.
I would expect in the range of 5 to 10% at most, based upon what they've done in the past. So it's going to be a challenge to identify a lot of other new ideas, but again, that's what the teams come together for. But I would say no more than 10, just based upon what we've seen and what they've done so far.
Participants were surprised by the results.
Actually, we came up with a 15% reduction in energy efficiency. I was very pleased with, but also very surprised with.
To see that we've identified 15% with specific information with a whole list of other things to explore, really took me back. I mean, the amount was surprising.
I'm very pleased with that 15% energy savings. It was unexpected, but it shows that HP has some improvement as far as management controls of their energy systems.
Well, I was quite surprised at how much waste we actually got and how much of it's just behavior-based, that just some simple changes could save a lot of energy.
I was optimistic, yes, that we would find some opportunities, but I actually was most impressed with the excitement that all the associates on the teams brought and their interests in trying to find opportunities and their support of this activity. I found very impressive.
Energy treasure hunts are a best practice that any organization can use to find opportunities to save money, raise awareness of energy waste, and build energy teams. Hundreds of Energy Star partner facilities have hosted energy treasure hunts as part of a strategic approach to energy management that promotes continuous improvement. Watch the other videos in this series to learn more about organizing your own energy treasure hunt, or visit energystar.gov/treasure hunt.